Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Sunny Days, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our big shot. And I have a piece of Whisper White, and then I have the rectangle stitch framelits. We'll run that through. Alright, so we're going to do our stamping on here, and I have the Call Me Clover. And we are using Sunny Days, and we're going to be using Wishing You Success and Only the Best. And I have that mounted on clear block D. So we'll ink this up. And then center that, just like that. Alright, and our card base is Call Me Clover, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And then I have the Bloom by Bloom Designer Series paper. I'm just going to adhere that with some snail. And this is a really simple card, guys. But the Sunny Days is retiring, so I wanted to use it one more time before we say goodbye. Alright, and I'm going to pop this up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And I wanted to focus more on this Designer Series paper. I just love it. Alright, I don't think I've used it enough. Alright, and then we have the Happiness Blooms enamel shapes. And let me get my paper piercer. I think I'm going to use these really tiny blue ones. Well, you know what? We'll use small, medium, and large. Alright, so just like that, a quick and simple card wishing someone success. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!